Today we will learn three types of JavaScript logical operators. So first one, we have a variable result, and a and b has a value, and the logical operator checks if a has a true value, like a positive, like true, I will say, like boolean, and it converts the values to boolean, and it checks if a and b are true, if both of them are true. The second one is OR. It means it checks if a or b's value are true, and this one checks if a values is not true. Let's see an example to understand it better. So we have a variable, for example, age is 25. I will do like this. And the next one, let has license, and let's do true. I will like to do it like this. Always this auto save. Okay, let's do like this. Is true. So, and let's do it if age bigger than 18, as we learned in the last lesson with about if else conditions, and has license. So if age is bigger than 18 and has a license, let's do console log you can drive, else console log you can't drive. Pretty simple, yes? And we get we can run. Let's see another example for if. Let's do again, let age is, for example, 25, or let's do 17. And the next one is let can enter. So let's imagine a situation where you have some custom event, like some private event, or you should be more than 18, or you have to have some special invitation. And do if age is bigger or equal 18, or you can enter, have some special invitation, console log can enter. Let me comment these variables because we have duplicated the same name value here, age, so it will not gonna work, and try console and save. So you can enter. So it checks the if age is 18 and has license, you can drive. And this one is if age equal or bigger than 18, or you can drive. So or can enter, so you can enter. And the last one, let's try this one. Let is weekend, and let's do false. And here statement if is not weekend, yes, console log go to work, else console log the weekend. Ooh. So go to work because it is not a weekend. But if we will do true, enjoy the weekend. So in a sense, if it is not this symbol, it means don't mix it with this one. It is always before a variable. And if here it will be 1, guess what will happen? Checking. It means as a true. What if we will have 5 here? Again, so it is a true value. This symbol converts the logical, these operators are converting the values to Boolean values. So if we will do 0, what is 0 in Boolean? It will be false, and we will have go to work. And this operator is to it's convert both operands. These are operands, yes, operator and operands, to Boolean, true or false, true or false. This one is to it is a Boolean, and this is Boolean. If we will do 1, it again will convert to Boolean. And we'll check if it's true or false. So it is pretty common case that we use in JavaScript. And let's see this example. It is also common one. You can use an operators are together. So we have a temperature 20 Celsius and we're checking is raining is false. So we can check if temperature is bigger and equal to 20 and temperature is like smaller or equal to 30 and checking and is raining. So we will get great weather for walk. Else we will get like maybe stay indoor. So it is 20. If it will be 25, we will get again like great weather for a walk. But if we will have 31 Celsius, it will say maybe it's too like hot, better to stay home. And you also can have so you can mix and use the operators together. Like it will check if this one is true, okay, and if this one is true, and if this one is true, so this condition is true. If one of them is not true, is false, so condition will go false. Like this operator is looking for the first false value in the condition, and or operator looking for the first true value. So this one looking for at least one false value and it will do false. It will be all we need to have true to make condition like work and go here. And this one says like I need at least only one true value and I will make the condition true. Okay. So see you on the next video.